Here is the morning routine. Starting at step 1 and ending when I need both hands and have to put the camera down. I had already cleaned this out last night, thankfully. I made this morning a lot easier. Hey, Rue. Rue's been in trouble lately because I have too many roosters. But I have interesting news about Ruth, the one that, if you saw the video, did I post that video yesterday? Ruth that gave me trouble the other day. So I went out Whoop. Hey Ray. Hey Ray girl. I went out yesterday for most of the day, and I had almost all the birds are outside except for two. I think it was one of these gray girls and I don't know, maybe one of those charcoal ones, and then the chicks, right? So they were all back there together with Ruth. Ruth did not want to come out. Every morning I have to pick the same thing up because every morning I put it in the same place and every night they knock it down. And I don't learn by putting it in a different place. So anyway, Ruth was in there. She didn't want to come out, but she was up roosting up top. And I wasn't about to try to get her out because I would have had to be under her. So I just left her in there. And then, I'll stop talking for 1 second. Oh, the gravy train comes running out here. Come on, Boof. Come on, Boof. I've nicknamed him Boof because of the sound that he makes. Very colorful today, buddy. You're looking good. You're looking very handsome today. Tuesday, good morning. Unnamed. So, come on, Turk. It's so nice to stay in a little bit longer than the rest. I got some above me that are about to jump on me and try to remove my scalp. So I come home in the evening. It was just about getting dark, so obviously I wanted to get back and get everybody inside. And I find Ruth right here, laying on her side with her eyes closed. Ruth spontaneously died. When I left, she was perched up here somewhere. And I get back and she's just dead as a doornail. Right there. Not the slightest clue what happened to her. The blue egg there is actually fake. It's one of those wooden dummy eggs. Yeah, I couldn't find any damage. No scratches. Oh, I'm excited about this. Nothing. She's just. I didn't closely examine her body. So actually, if it's still, I put it in the back of my pickup truck because a raccoon generally doesn't go in there. Not that I really care if the raccoon gets her body. I keep calling it her, but him. Because how big of a jerk he was. But she's gonna lay an egg in there for me. I think she's a blue layer. An Easter egger, but it's always been blue, I think, from her. So yeah, if the carcass is still out there, I'll take a closer look. Let's see if I can see anything, but I don't have a clue. But she had given me so much trouble the other day. She got in my house and would not leave my house. She like cornered me. I keep calling it she. I'm gonna just keep doing that. Cornered me in the house. Like wouldn't let me out. It was the wildest thing. She also fought off a raccoon, and I'm 100% convinced. I know this sounds crazy, but I am convinced that she lured the raccoon out into the street over here so that it would get hit by a car. Because I heard a thump. I was sitting inside. I heard a thump. I come out expecting to see her out there dead. And the only thing I find is her trotting up the side of the road here, the breakdown lane right there, up my driveway. Looking proud as can be, chest out, and I haven't seen the raccoon since then. So there was she just before that, right here, Ruth, one of these other roosters, and the raccoon. We're standing right here, like having a powwow, just standing together, like this far away from each other. I mean, right here. So I was in there taking care of the littles. I come out, a raccoon right here, and we all just stood there together for a few seconds, and then the raccoon scurried up over here, like underneath, behind these pallets that I have set up for them to hide. And Ruth still wouldn't go in. The other one eventually went in. But Ruth stayed out, so that's when I went in. I was in there for like, I don't know, 5 or 10 minutes, and I heard that thump, and I come out, and the raccoon's gone, and Ruth's trotting up the driveway here. So I tried to reward her. I had some granola and yogurt left over for my breakfast. So I put that at the doorway of my house, thinking that she had done a good thing. Like, I was convinced that I'm still convinced of it, but that she, like, off that raccoon by convincing it to go out into the street. So I was trying to reward her, and instead of eating the treats that I left at the door, she walked straight past them to me and just started staring me up and down and not making a sound. I never heard that bird crow, but like opening and closing its mouth, fucky, and just like looking me up and down like the weirdest way. Like it was honestly like a scene out of Jurassic Park, the way she was looking at me, like eyeing me up and down to see if she could beat me. So I tried to shoo her out, and I think that's Ducky's like a dog trying to use the water out of the hose, drink the water. Charges past me and gets underneath my gets underneath my kitchen table where I can't get to her. Like even if I had a net, I mean I do have a net, I haven't tried it with a chicken yet, but even if I got in the net, I would not have been able to reach her. So she just stayed there. She stayed there overnight. I spent the whole night like awake, because I was convinced that she was gonna like peck my eyeballs out if I fell asleep. Actually, I brought so I did that the first night, right? And then the second night, so I ended up barely sleeping first night. Second night, I brought Mini Roo in. I don't know where he went. I brought Mini Roo in, hoping that he might, like, catch on and chase her out from underneath the table. That didn't work. They just kind of ignored each other. So Mini Roo ended up spending the night perched on my TV, and Ruth spent another night underneath the table. And then yesterday morning, I guess it was, I finally had one of these sticks here padded with rubber end, and I was poking her, trying to agitate her to jump out, and she did, and she charged right at me, and I had to push her. There's Mini Roo. I had to push her out the door with my foot, and when we got out here, so over here it's a little more level. When we got out here, it was funny. The other birds, it was like they knew that she had done something wrong. They shunned her. They were actually pecking at her and keeping her away from me. It was the weirdest thing, the way they all reacted together like that. This one especially, Turk 2, that I still haven't got a name for, because this is Turk. This is just original Turk. She was just pecking at Ruth randomly. Anytime Ruth got anywhere near me or even close to her or looked at her wrong, and the rest of them were kind of doing the same thing. So Ruth was just hiding, sitting all alone under a tree for most of the day, which was fine by me, because gosh, she was a jerk. I couldn't believe that. I thought I was rewarding her for chasing the raccoon off, and hurts my hip. Instead, she had a plan to get the raccoon and then me. I think she was trying to recruit that second bird too. When I had first gone out after getting the littles into that cage. When I first went out there and it was the two birds and the raccoon, I think she was trying to recruit that bird to help her off the raccoon. When that bird was hesitant and decided against it and came in, decided for the better, apparently. I don't know, that sounds absolutely insane, but if you were here, you would have probably believed the same thing, no matter how big of a skeptic you were, because it was absolutely wild. Anyway, just wanted to give you a little bit of the morning routine, and I ended up going off and narrating that story. And that's why I call him Boof, if you just heard that. It's got the funniest little thing. It's kind of deformed. I'm not sure if that'll actually grow in correctly, but... Alright, Grace, come on, let's go outside. Come on, Boof. Let's go outside and let the littles have their space. Come on, out. Alright, this is when I'm definitely going to need both hands. So I will try to push everybody out. They like to lay in that corner, so that girl probably won't come out right now. Then they'll try to take turns every time I come in. When I come in to check on the littles, one of the hens will come in and mom will go out, and they'll swap spots. So because they all lay in like the same 2 spots, of course. She didn't leave me an egg in there. I'm surprised. Alright, I'm gonna push these birds out. Everybody have a good day.